Hi everyone, my name is Jack. I'm the co-founder of Aspecta. So Aspecta, we are pretty much building this like AI-powered infrastructure for developer economy. We use this AI solution to facilitate developer monetization and ecosystem growth. So first, I want to talk a little bit more about developer economy. So developer economy is similar to creator economy, but pretty much is at a very early stage. Think about now developers, they have lots of creations, just like creators. They have this coding project, they have this blog post, they have their opinions on X, they have this Q&A on Stack Overflow. They have lots of creations, and they have lots of ways, approach to generate all these creations, right? They can do self-development, they can do open source collaboration, and most important thing, like creators a few years ago, they actually want to build reputation upon these creations, and they're looking for a way to monetize and actually make it useful. But for this developer economy right now, there is a fundamental challenge. Is that I am a developer for 10 years. I have this coding project, tech posts, blogs, but there is no way for me to make this hard work and creation to be acknowledged, to be recognized and useful. That's a creation fails to build reputation, and reputation fails to drive opportunity. And this is Aspecta solution targeting on. So for Aspecta, we build this like AI-powered solution infrastructure to solve this fundamental problem for developer economy. And this infrastructure actually consists of three parts. So the first part is a data layer where we synchronized and modeling trillion scale of developer creation data. For example, all the data on GitHub, on Stack Overflow, on blog, on X, we synchronize and modeling this trillion scale data, and then we use AI, especially language model and graph learning, to transform this original creation data into tangible and interpretable reputations, like your skills, your achievements, your interests, pretty much every aspect of your journey as a developer. Then, based on the reputation layer and the data layer, we have a set of modularized tech stacks to support different scenarios in developer economy. For example, we have the tech stack built on reputation layer and data layer to support freelancing, knowledge monetization, and also the infrastructure for this third party to operate, engage, and build their developer economy. So from a more technology perspectives, so the data layer is actually a dynamic modeling of these trillion level entities. And then is where the language model and graph learning came into part to translate all those hard to understand complex codes, blog, opinions into these interpretable aspects, like I mentioned, like skills, interests, fun facts, experiences. This aspect across more than 8,000 domains and tabs. And based on these aspects, you could form this tangible reputation, which takes shapes in personal page, attestations, NFTs, and so on tokens. And also, based on this reputation layer, we have this application layer in a modular way to support this diverse monetization and opportunity. So this is the AI-powered infrastructure for developer economy. So based on this three-layer infrastructure, we are building a vibrant ecosystem. And there are also three components in this ecosystem. First is like over 260K users, developers. They actually build their reputation. They utilize the infrastructure to build reputation, monetize. This is first component. The second component is these third-party communities, companies. They utilize this infrastructure and tech stack to engage, grow, and incentivize their developer communities. And third component is that there are lots of developer applications or developer communities. They use this infrastructure to enhance their own services and applications. So for example, as I just mentioned, there are over 260K users on Aspecta, individual users. They build their reputation, monetize. During the past 3 months, we have over 500K interactions where developers are monetizing based on this reputation layer. And for the organization adopting the infrastructure to engage and grow their developer community, ecosystems like Linear, Polygon, Scroll, they are actually using Aspecta to build their builder state, like a gathering of all the builders. And they understand the insights of their builders, and they incentivize their builders to better build on top of the tech stack and drive to actual ecosystem growth. And for the application integrated with Aspecta, pretty much it's like most of the top hackathon right now is use our tech stack to support team formation, and also other platforms like OpenBuild or other developer application-focused platforms are using our infrastructure to enhance their services. So, and there is one thing I do want to highlight is that how Web3 or crypto actually correlate to what Aspecta is building. We strongly believe that this developer economy should be incentivized or be amplified with a proper tokenomics. So thinking about the key or fundamental value for developer economy is all about unleash the productivity of individual developers. And the first thing is to identify and unlock or recognize those unsung developers. So we are thinking about a developer economy where we have squad and backers. They could stake on individual developers and also this project to actually make this project individual developers to be recognized, to have more exposure and opportunities in this ecosystem, and grow the ecosystem with these backers, developers, and other these like demanders as all. So I believe this is something has a major impact because all the Web3 crypto is based on developers' innovations, and we do have lots of unsung heroes over there, and we do lack a proper mechanism to incentivize, recognize this unsung developer to actually unleash the productivity. Yeah, pretty much that is for Aspecta. And if you are building something related to developer economy or anything related to identity, this sort of kind, welcome to connect with us, and we look forward to collaboration. Thank you.